Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a GMC Sierra 1500. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe in the parking lot. You have 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back, as well as a factory trailer hitch. Taking a look at the bed, you have a bed rug bed liner here and a cover on top to keep your bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, Bluetooth, and a heated steering wheel are all mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. You have 3 USB ports and a regular plug, so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.